Okay. We started with substituted benzene. What meaning substituted benzene? يعني our benzene ring is substituted. يعني there is a group on the benzene ring. Okay, there is a group substituted on the benzene ring, not just absolutely cycle of benzene. Okay. Now he said here many substituted benzene rings undergo electrophilic aromatic substitution. Common substituted included halogens, hydroxyl group, amine group, alkyl. Look, and many functional group like carbonyl. Okay, each substitute either increase or decrease the electron density. Look, this important. All the group we have two cases, or increase or decrease the electron density on the benzene ring. Okay, that meaning we have two types of the group. Groups increase the electron density in the benzene ring, groups decrease the electron density on the benzene ring. Okay, and this effect, okay, it will be happen for the electrophilic aromatic substitution. As we, طبعا, he said on the book, and if you remember the first part. Okay, now I will explain, don't worry about that. What make the substituent on the benzene ring here? What make the substituent on the benzene ring electron donating or electron withdrawing? Okay. Now, if I look to the group, I will see this group. It will be donating or withdrawing. Okay. How you can know this group? It will be electron donating or electron withdrawing. يعني هل هي مجموعة دافعة أو مجموعة ساحبة؟ طبعا دافعة ليش؟ دافعة للإلكترونات. Donating for electron. Okay. Donating for electron طلبة يعني increase the electron density. This increase electron density. Electron withdrawing يعني decrease the electron density on the benzene ring. Okay. You can write here not. Okay. ملاحظة بنفيسن طلبة. Now, how you can know the answer is by the inductive effect. Look to the group. This group has inductive effect or resonance effect. طبعا طلبة here we don't have hyperconjugation. If you remember hyperconjugation to increase the stability of the carbocation, okay, the carbon cation, we don't have here hyperconjugation. Okay, we don't have here hyperconjugation because the benzene ring with aromatic system. Okay, for the aromatic system, there is no overlap between the p orbital of the alkyl group and the benzene orbitals, the p orbitals for the benzene ring. Okay, that meaning we just have two effects. We have inductive effect. Okay, we have resonance effect. Inductive effect طلب by what? Who can answer me by what? It will be happen by what? During what? Do you remember or no? Inductive effect. Do you remember? Maybe. Yes, during sigma bond. During sigma bond, yes? During sigma bond. We say that on the chapter number 1 for your first course. Now, during sigma bond, the inductive effect. And we have the resonance effect. طبعا resonance effect طبعا during the unshape of electron or during the double bond. You can write here this during sigma bond, this during or unshape of electron or the pi bond. Okay, both you can write notes here. Both of which can add it or remove. Look, both of them can add it or remove. يعني increase or decrease the electron density on the benzene ring. Okay. We take the inductive effect. Inductive effect.
بس يراك دي تشوفون إن electron donating and withdrawing.
Hey, I'm done. Look, next slide. Okay, I'm done. Come on. Okay. Now, inductive effect. Inductive effect stem from. Look, stem the inductive effect stem from the electronegativity of the atoms in the substituent and the polarizability of the substituted group. Okay. Now, what meaning polarizable? Do you know what meaning polarizable? We take it before that. This term, polarizable. We say the halogens are polarizable. What meaning polarizable?
سالب وموجب.
ايه يعني كان ايه يعني ممكن يصير لها سالب وموجب. اوكي can be yes can be عافية can be have positive or negative charge or partial positive partial يعني can be dipole. okay can be dipole for just a few minutes for just special time. اوكي
بس ما يبقى يعني دائما
يتغير، مرة يصير متعادل، مرة يصير موجب وسالب إذا بالأخص صار قريب من مجموعة مؤثرة يعني. أوكي؟ This we may say polarizable or the electronegativity. You know the electronegativity like the halogen. The halogens or the oxygen or the nitrogen, you know the halogen, the most high electronegativity elements on the periodic table, yeah? Fluor, chlor, bromine. This the electronegativity effect. Now, take this note. Atoms more electronegative than carbon, like what? Including nitrogen, oxygen, halogen. Look, he said here, pull electron density away from the carbon. Look, away from the carbon. Any carbon, طلبة, carbon for the benzene ring. And this exhibit an electron withdrawing additive effect. Okay, now, do you understand this? I think it's slightly difficult for you. I will make sharing here. Look, this. Do you see this now?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, good. Look, for example, we have benzene cycle, this benzene cycle, yes?
Yes.
Now, he said here, any group, this, if you have any group here, like what? Like this group, okay? Like this group. He said, look, again, he said, what he said? He said, any group pull electron density away from the carbon, okay? Away from the carbon, that meaning this, this, okay? That meaning take the electron from the benzene cycle, okay? Take the electrons from the benzene cycle. Now, this group is activate or deactivate? يعني راح تنشط الحلقة أو تقلل تنشيط الحلقة؟ يعني, in another word, the electron density here on the benzene ring, it will be increase or decrease? Of course, it will be increase. Why? Because this group take the electron density from the carbon of the benzene ring. That meaning the electron density on the benzene ring here, it will be decrease. Okay, it will be decrease. Now I will go to our lecture. تناقشتي؟ تمام. Again. No. Do you know what meaning donating, what meaning withdrawing? Do you know? نبتشير تقول
الكترونات.
عافية. Donating الكترونات معناه؟ withdrawing ها؟
تاخذ الكترون.
تاخذ الكترون بالكردي تاخذ الكترون شنو؟
ورقرت الكترون.
ادي يلا الكترون ورقرت تمام؟ Now this donating now we have for any normal benzene ring. This is our benzene ring. Okay, this is our benzene ring. Now we have electron density here on the benzene ring. Yes? Okay. Now if we have a group like this group, okay, this group withdrawing يعني ساحبة يعني electron take the electrons from the benzene ring. Now the electron density on the benzene ring, it will be increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease يعني ديكام تربو معناه؟ Decrease.
أو جروب بكشي جروب مثلا.
Any group for X, any group. We say for just for example, okay, X. Okay. But I don't have X, I put a star here, just for any group, star. Okay? This group, take the electron density or take the electrons or withdrawing of electrons from the benzene ring, make the electron density on the benzene ring increase or decrease? Decrease. Okay? Decrease. Do you understand this or not?
بله.
عافية. Now, look to the طبعا by what? By any effect, by inductive effect. شو معنى inductive effect؟ يعني خلال sigma bond, during sigma bond. Okay, sigma bond. This during inductive effect. Why during inductive effect? Because we have sigma bond here between the carbon and the star. Yes, like this. أو sigma طبعا ما شاء الله قالك تشتغل. Size. This is the size. Look, we have benzene ring. This is the benzene ring. Okay, and we have this here any group. Okay, and this sigma bond here. Okay, also طبعا we have cycle here. Don't worry about, we have cycle. Yes, this is sigma bond. That means this is a group withdrawing for the electron density. That meaning the electron density on the benzene ring, it will be decreased during inductive effect during sigma bond, our sigma bond. Okay, during sigma bond. Now, the second one.
electronegativity they can be.
Electronegativity دي كان بت صار حلقة بنزين على حلقة بنزين. Okay. Now, the second note, he said polarizable alkyl groups. Look, polarizable alkyl group. What meaning polarizable again? It will be positive or negative. Yes. A group donate electron density. Look, donate electron density. Now, do you know what meaning this polarizable alkyl group donate electron density? يعني مجموعة الالكايل طلبة أصلا هي donating. Why donating? Because alkyl group are polarizable. Okay, now, for example, if I make for you here sharing again, look. Control A. Look. For example, I will make here this. Okay. Also, we have here carbon. We have here brom. Br. طبعا here we have hydrogen. Don't worry about this. Hydrogen. Now, anyone is partially negative. Anyone is partially positive.
Br partially negative.
Eh.
Partially.
أو partially positive ما زين أو partially positive نوكا هكا أم بي آر أم راكا دي بنا هيدروجين كربون دي بنا positive or equal يعني sometimes carbon can be equal or neutral atom, sometimes carbon can be positive charge or partially positive charge. This meaning polarizable. Okay, this meaning polarizable يعني can be able to take positive charge or negative charge. Okay. Now, depended on what, طلبة? Depended on the effect group here. If I put a brom or any group withdrawing or high electronegative, this it will be partially negative. This it will be partially positive. Okay. Now, take if I replace this group, I will replace by benzene cycle. Okay. I replace it by benzene cycle. This. Now, the benzene cycle, high electron negativity or low electron negativity?
High.
Electron. يعني in general, this what partially positive or negative all this cycle? Partially negative. يعني partially positive. يعني نوكا carbon donating or withdrawing? في حالة in this example, the carbon is donating or withdrawing? Donating, yes, donating because partially positive. Partially positive يعني electron بدات. Okay? خلاص. The alkyl group is electron donating because the alkyl group are polarizable groups. Okay? I hope you understand this. We can polarizable alkyl group donate electron density and this exhibit and electron donating inductive effect. طبعا خلال bi bond resonance no خلال sigma bond. That meaning during inductive effect. Inductive effect. يعني طلب very بس ملاحظة during sigma bond. Okay? During sigma bond. Now, I hope you understand this. This is so important طلبة يعني أو ملخص. Okay, so important. Now. Look to here again. Look, Considering the inductive effect only, look, if we talk about just the inductive effect, look, the NH2 group, it will be withdrawing or donating this NH2? It will be withdrawing. Why? Because the nitrogen high electronegative than carbon. Anyone is strong electronegative or high electronegativity or higher electronegativity, the nitrogen atom or the carbon? Nitrogen, خلاص, the nitrogen. That meaning the nitrogen will be partially negative and the carbon here, it will be partially positive. That meaning this group is withdrawing. Okay, here just we talk about inductive effect. Don't say to me we have unshape of electron, unshape of electron can be make resonance. I know. Just here we take example just for inductive effect. Okay, we just take the inductive effect. Just inductive effect during sigma bond. Okay. Now take طلبة, keep silent please. Now take the second example. Look, we have here methyl and we have here benzene ring, here carbon, and also we have here carbon. Yes. Okay, now any carbon is high electronegative than other. This carbon or this carbon?
أو benzene.
Yes, the benzene. Yes, عافية. The carbon of benzene. Why? Because is with the benzene ring. The benzene ring is high electronegativity atom, high electron density. High electron density, that meaning partially negative. That meaning the methyl here, the carbon, it will be partially positive. Now, this methyl group it will be donating. Electron dead. Okay. Electron update. Why? Because alkali group are polarizable, making an electron donating group. Okay. Now we are here. Yes. Look, this is the inductive effect. We talk about the resonance effect. Now, resonance effect. طلبة. What meaning resonance structure? Do you know? Do you remember the resonance structure? Okay, the resonance structure, it will be isomer or no? Who can answer?
No.
Okay, not isomer. Why not isomer?
بس different between double bond وهذه الإشارة السالب والموجب.
Yeah, because the connectivity of the atom, it will be the same.
The same.
Yes, we have, for example, carbon, nitrogen, carbon, carbon. It will be remain carbon, nitrogen, carbon, carbon. The different, but just the position of the double bond and the positive or negative charge. Okay, this is the difference. For this reason, we said resonance effect. Okay, now resonance effect can either donate or also تحتمل هي and donate or withdrawing electron density. Okay, dependent on what? Dependent on the whether they place a positive or negative charge on the benzene ring. يعني هكا resonance يعني if you do the resonance and you can see the positive charge on the benzene ring, that meaning this withdrawing. If you make your resonance and you say you seen the negative charge on the benzene ring, that meaning this it will be donating. Okay, now I explain this for you. Don't worry about that. Look, take this. A resonance effect is electron donating anytime when resonance structure place a negative charge on carbons of the benzene ring. That meaning if we have negative charge on the benzene ring, that meaning the resonance, it will be donating. Why? Because it increase the electron density on the benzene ring. This meaning here. The second one, a resonance effect is electron withdrawing anytime when the resonance structure places a positive charge on the carbons of the benzene ring. Okay, if we have positive on the carbons for the benzene ring, that meaning it will be withdrawing. Why withdrawing? Because he make a positive charge on the benzene ring. Yani the electron density on the benzene ring decrease, not increase. Okay, here the meaning. Okay, and we take this. Look. I will give you two examples. Also easy example. Look, an electron donating resonance effect is observed whenever an atom Z طبعا Z يعني any atom having lone pair of electrons is directly bonded to the benzene ring. Look, this benzene ring, we have directly bonded with nitrogen. This nitrogen with unshaped of electron. Okay? يعني in general benzene ring with a group, this group with unshaped of electron. Must be with unshaped of electron. طبعا unshaped of electron like any atom, like oxygen, like nitrogen, like halogen. Also the halogen we have unshaped of electron. Okay? That meaning this group is donating. Donating. By any effect donating by sigma bond? No, by resonance. Okay, by resonance. Because if we, when you say unshaped of electron, that meaning unshaped of electron will be make resonance structure. That meaning effect by resonance. Don't say it's inductive effect. If you say by inductive effect, it will be error. Okay? Because we have here resonance. Okay. Now, he said here, common example of Z is nitrogen or oxygen or the halogen. We said that. Take this here. For example, 5 resonance structure can be drawn from the aniline. This is the aniline group, this aniline, because 3 of them place a negative charge. Look, we have negative here, we have negative here, and also we have negative here. That meaning place a negative charge on the carbon atom of the benzene ring. Okay, that meaning an NH2 group donate electron density, donate. Look, we make negative charge on the carbons here. That meaning donate electron density to the benzene ring by what? By resonance effect. طلب about resonance effect قال لك مهمة. Not inductive, by resonance effect. Now, how it will be resonance effect? Look, this unshaped of electron make pi bond here, yes? And this pi, it will be open. Yes, we have negative. And the nitrogen, it will be positive. Now, look to the different structure. The nitrogen before that is electron rich. يعني غني, الكترونيا غني. ما تمام؟ But the first one, electron deficient. يعني electron قليل, فقير الكترونيا. Okay, why? Because he give the electrons for the resonance with the benzene ring. Okay, يعني electron donating, يعني group donating. Okay, donating. Now, this negative charge make pi bond here. The pi bond, it will be open to make negative charge. Again, negative charge make pi bond. The pi bond, it will be open to make a negative charge here. Okay. Now, at finally, this negative charge make pi bond here. And this pi bond, it will be open to the nitrogen for the aniline, again this, and it will be like this. It will be compact structure, resonance structure, again, resonance structure, again. It will be cycle, one cycle, okay, one cycle. Now, do you understand this?
بس سيدة تبيشي مع resonance intake.
لا، لو صح كجروبة، هكا تديت جروبة with unshaped of electron خلاص أبا resonance. تمام؟ الشرطية very شرطية we said benzene with a group قال unshaped of electron أبا صح كبيري أبا أوكي أو شرط أو شرط هكا تديتية خلاص that meaning this group is donating by resonance effect أوكي
يعني أفسر سيدة
ليه؟
هيك unshared of electron habit هم هالجوردي بالدونيت by resonance effect.
إيه عافية إيه
تمام.
صنع هي معنا؟
بتاع withdrawing ما بيته.
شاوا؟
ما وصل بتاع donating بودي تشو بتاع withdrawing.
Withdrawing هكا أو atom vary this atom not with unshaped of electron and positive charge and partially positive charge أو شرطة دوية هذا vary. از نوكا دي شرح كم درسته؟ تمام. نوكا هذا donating خلاص donating انت قشت انت معنا donating. That meaning we have a group with unshaped of electron. The second way is he said by resonance effect one of you by resonance effect any time it will be donating. Sorry, it will be withdrawing, not donating. Now in this case, an electron withdrawing resonance effect is observed anytime in substituted benzene having the general structure list this benzene ring with Y any atom double bond Z. Okay, like any compound like this compound. Look, benzene ring with Y here carbon, double bond Z. Okay, like carbonyl group, whereas this Z is more electronegative than Y. Look, anyone is more electronegative, oxygen or the carbon? The oxygen. Okay, the oxygen. That meaning anyone will be partially positive.
Carbon.
Yes, carbon it will be partially positive. Then I'm going to carbon is partially positive or positive. That meaning is electron deficient. يعني electron نينا. معنا؟ زين هكا electron نينا تشاو electron بدها تروح بنزين رينج أصلا نينا. Okay, that meaning it will be withdrawing. Okay, طبعا by any effect by resonance. How? This here. I will explain for you now. Okay, now. Where Z is more electronegativity than Y. For example, we take this. طبعا أو benzaldehyde طلبة أو benzaldehyde compound. 7 resonance structure can be drawn from the benzaldehyde. This is the benzaldehyde. طبعا مختصرة. Okay, this chemical formula because 3 of them place a positive charge. Look, we have positive charge on the ring, but here in this case we have negative charge. Okay, but here we have positive charge. If you look to the negative charge, that meaning this group donating. If you see positive charge on the ring, that meaning this group withdrawing. Okay, because there are positive charge on the carbon atom of the benzene ring. Now, how? Look, we have aldehyde group here, benzene ring with this group. Now, this positive charge, okay, this positive charge. Now, partially positive charge, this partially negative charge. This pi bond, it will be open on the oxygen, okay? That meaning the carbon will be positive, oxygen will be negative. Now, this pi bond, we make resonance now, This pi bond, it will be open to make pi bond, and the positive, it will be converted to here. Now, this pi bond, it will be open to here, and the positive, it will be converted to here. Again, this pi bond, it will be come to here, and the positive, it will be go to here. Okay, now again, the pi bond, it will be make resonance system again, resonance structure again. Okay, and the positive, it will be converted to the carbon, and finally the negative make double bond, and the positive, it will be disappear to make the equal formula again for the benzaldehyde. That meaning we have this one starting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and it will be come back again. To do just like one cycle. Now look to the cycle. On the cycle, we have positive or negative charge. We have positive charge. That meaning the electron density on the benzene cycle, it will be increase or decrease. Decrease. خلاص. Decrease. يعني withdrawing. Okay, decrease. That meaning withdrawing by any effect.
Resonance effect.
Yeah, not sigma, by resonance effect, not sigma bond, by resonance effect. يعني not inductive, by resonance effect.
سيدا يعني هكا inductive effect بدي حكينا جروبي كموجبة انصلب.
عافية هكا جروب هكا yes هكا جروب directly this group to مباشرة صحكي أو جروبة هكا positive and partially positive خلاص هذا electron withdrawing by resonance effect. Okay, electron withdrawing by resonance effect. Very. Okay. Next slide. Look, يلا طلبة وقلمن. صح we have two structure here. Draw a resonance structure for each compound and use the resonance structure to determine if the substituent can be electron donating or withdrawing group. Look, directly look to the group. This. Example number 1. Benzene ring with the oxygen. Oxygen أنشب في الإلكترون هيا نينا.
يا هي.
كنا جندي وكندي تشاو. Okay. أنشب في الإلكترون. We have 2 أنشب في الإلكترون. Okay. That meaning we have أنشب في الإلكترون. That meaning it will be donating or withdrawing.
Donating.
عافية donating by any effect.
Resonance.
عافية. خلاص. شوف هذا إجابة صحيحة صد بصد. Now take the second one. Benzene ring with the carbon. This carbon أنشب في الإلكترون هيا؟
لا.
partially positive.
partially positive.
خلاص
Positive.
partially positive يعني اصلا فقيره جروبها فقيره. Now electron donating or withdrawing?
Drawing.
Withdrawing عافيه withdrawing. That meaning it will be this electron density on the ring, it will be decrease or increase?
Decrease.
عافيه decrease by any effect.
Resonance.
عافيه by resonance. خلاص وتشو. Okay. Now I think it is easy now for you. Now look, if we have, for example, he said, look here, consider both inductive effect and resonance effect. Then maybe some of you, maybe Sagvan, he will ask me, we have oxygen here, yes? Yes. We said we have n-shape of electron, and this n-shape of electron enter with resonance with the benzene ring to increase the density on the benzene ring, yes? It will be donating, yeah? Maybe Sagvan, he will ask me, Saida, mana oxygen high electron negativity, chawa dibina donating, dibina withdrawing. Mana oxygen high electron negativity than carbon?
بلي.
Yes. Now, what the answer in this time? What the answer in this time? Look, this oxygen, if you go to the electronegativity, negativity, it will be high electronegativity. That meaning it will be donating or withdrawing by electronegativity.
View where get the
ورقة. That meaning the withdrawing. Then, if I say withdrawing by any effect, resonance or inductive?
Inductive on
Inductive خلاص. Inductive during sigma bond inductive effect. تمام؟ Inductive effect. تمام. This in our hand. In the other hand, no, we have n-shape of electron. N-shape of electron will be enter with resonance with the benzene ring to increase the electron density. That meaning it will be donating or withdrawing? Donating. By any effect? عافية by resonance. طبعا. Here he said, here, consider both inductive and resonance effect. هكا هردو هيا أم كان يعني هردو هيا inductive or resonance أم كان بحالته؟ أم صحكي كيش قوي ترى. Okay, anyone is more strong than the other. The effect, anyone can be effect more than the other. Anyone, it will be stronger, the inductive or the resonance. Okay, anyone, it will be one. Okay, now here the meaning here, consider both inductive or resonance effect. He said to predict whether the substituent benzene is more or less electron rich than the benzene acid. Look, we must consider the net balance of both inductive and resonance effect. You will be look to the both of them, the inductive or the resonance. كش خوي ترى it will be the better one. Okay, it will be the happen. Now, look to the alkyl group. Okay, alkyl group always donate electron by inductive effect. Bucci always it will be donate electron because the carbon is high electronegativity or low electronegativity. The carbon. ناقصك كربون.
هاي الكترون.
من يجاوبني؟ الكربون هاي الكترون ولا لو الكترون نيجاتيفيتي؟
هاي.
Low electronegativity.
Low electronegativity. Okay, that meaning for the alkyl group we have all the time the inductive effect, it will be donating. Yes. Now, but they have no resonance. أصلاً resonance Nina. Why with no resonance? Why with the no resonance? يلا easy.
هنا سيدنا وشرط هردو كنين نويت دبل بون الكترون سر.
عافية. أنشأ بفريكترون نينا بو carbon. That meaning it will be there is no resonance, just inductive effect. And all times for the alkyl group, the inductive effect, it will be donating. Not withdrawing. Why donating? Because the carbon is low electronegativity. Okay? This. Now, take again this. An alkyl group is electron donating group. and an alkyl benzene is more electron rich than benzene. Okay, do you understand this? Do you understand this or no? طبعا
No.
Okay. عافية, no? عافية. تمام. I will make this. Look, we have this two example. 1, 2. Now, 1, 2, 1, this. Okay. I will make zoom for you. Now, don't look to this. Don't look to this. Now, we have this benzene and we have methyl benzene. Now, this, look to here, to the electron density on the benzene. Anyone is high electron density, this cycle or this cycle?
The right one.
Yalla, I've been very number 1 or number 2? Anyone, it will be high electronegativity cycle, this or this?
يدوي
Yeah, do it. Why? Yes, because the methane group, the alkali group, donate the electron density to the benzene ring. It will be make the benzene ring high electron density. Okay. Now I will give you another example. Take this. Take this. For example, BR. Now, if we compare the BR with this, or with the benzene ring, or no, okay, number 1, number 3. Anyone, it will be high electronegativity. Number 1 or number 3? Yeah, okay. Gucci.
Çünkü Seyda
Çünkü brom high electronegativity, that meaning electron withdrawing. Take the electron from the benzene cycle, and the density on the benzene cycle, it will be lower than benzene ring itself. Okay? Now, هكا بترتيب ده أنا بشوف كم هكا بترتيب أنا increase and decrease the electron density بترتيب أو إيكو دوسي بترتيب أنا بشوف كم
أولي دوي باشيا إيكي باشيا سي
أولي دوي عافية باشيا إيكي باشيا سي تمام أو قالك electron density أو وسطة أو low electron density on the benzene ring. Now it is clear? This an alkyl group
سری بشه و هک هر دو کی فکر تبن
هكا چی؟
هکو ایندکتیو و رزونانس هر دو کبن دشه بشه و کدی دیف کیش کچین
نگشتم جارك دي بيجا
سيدا مانا تاقو هندك اویدیه تاین هر دو سرتن ایندکتیو و رزونانس
ايه
هنگی ده دیف کیش کچین دشه بشه و
ايه يعني وكابة where is like this. Now I will give you two examples, and this two examples it will be clear, very clear for you. Okay. Okay. I will take this. I will remove this. Now I will make here now NH2. Tamam. Look, طلبة. I will remove this. Now. Look to the nitrogen and the BR. Nitrogen have انشب of electron.
هر سيدا تاین
تمام هيا. زين BR هيا أنا.
بله
هيا. عافية هيا. تمام هيا. طبعا هيا ونائك زين سي هيا. معنا؟
سي
هيا. تمام. Okay. Now by resonance effect. hard resonance هيا أنا. يا هاي تمام by inductive effect هردو هيا أنا هيا بوشي چونكو nitrogen more electronegative than the carbon also the BR more electronegative than the carbon yes يعني هردو كا inductive effect or resonance effect هيا معنى
بله
زين نوكا كيش دبنا donating كيش دبنا withdrawing طبعا dependent on the anyone it will be stronger than the other the inductive effect or the resonance no
نسيت هر دو جبنا وستراوينج
لا أزبط أشركب صح كده now anyone is more electronegativity than the other. The nitrogen, look, the nitrogen or this nitrogen. This the nitrogen or the BR. Anyone?
BR.
BR. Why BR? Because BR from the last group, and the last group is the most high electronegativity atom than the other elements. Okay. Now, if you compare the BR with the nitrogen, no, the BR high electronegativity. Okay. And the nitrogen, for example, if you from 10, if I'm قياس دائما from يعني من 10 نخلي قياس. If the nitrogen, for example, 4, the BR it will be 10, 9. Okay. Just number. Okay. That meaning the BR is high electronegativity from the nitrogen. Now, for the BR we have resonance. Also we have inductive. كيش قوي ترى؟ كيش قوي ترى؟ Resonance or inductive?
Inductive.
Inductive. بوشي inductive because the BR is high electronegativity atom. زين هكذا قلت inductive فيدابو not resonance, that meaning it will be donating or withdrawing?
Donating.
لا donating or withdrawing? Withdrawing. بتبجد high electronegativity يعني سحبة. Okay. زين this it will be withdrawing. Now look to the nitrogen inductive resonance هي. but inductive ياوي ضعيفة يعني هاي electronegativity ياوي ضعيفة. that meaning كيش فايدة resonance and inductive? resonance. زين هكا resonance دبنا withdrawing or donating? دبنا تمام دبنا donating. هذا donating.
ناجهشتن النظام.
عليه؟
هستي ناجهشتن.
صح كي دو تأثير هيا inductive وهي resonance. تو صح كي جروب أو صح كي حلقة كيف يدبو خلاص.
إجا سيدي تشوفهم كيش فايدة.
ما أنا معزنوك من قلت هالوجين دو إفكت هيا resonance هيا و inductive. هرجارة inductive فايدة. All the time inductive it will be stronger than the resonance here for the halogen.
سيدا يعني أو بآرة مقارنة وكنا ديال شتشتي the ambition electronegativity أو بتري.
مقارنة قال أكسجين، قال نيتروجين، قال سلفر. أوكي؟ تمام. Look to the halogen. All the times halogen is withdrawing by inductive. Resonance هي ضعيفة. We have the halogen has resonance effect but weak. Okay? Inductive effect for the halogen is strong. That meaning it will be withdrawing. خلاص. هذا من قدرتها الصافية مفيدة. Okay? For the nitrogen or the oxygen, this is the oxygen. طبعا or the sulfur also. Okay? Yes. Have all this atom has inductive effect or resonance effect. بس كيش قوي ترى the resonance effect it will be more than the inductive effect. For this reason all the time it will be donating by resonance effect. Okay, it will be donating by resonance effect. تمام. Okay, خدي as wastam. Now we have what we have here. Look. When the electronegative atoms such as nitrogen, oxygen, or halogen are bonded to the benzene ring, they inductively withdraw electron density from the benzene. All this group also have non-bond of electron. That meaning we also have resonance effect. That meaning so they donate electron density to the by resonance. Okay, anyone is more than the identity of the element determine the net balance of this opposite effect. يعني كش يعني أو تشخيصه anyone it will be stronger than the other, the inductive or the resonance. Okay. Now look to here. Look, we have Z any group with أنشب of electron. وكتيا nitrogen, oxygen, halogen. Okay. These elements are electronegativity طبعا, so they inductive withdrawing electron density by inductive effect. Okay, but on the other side, no. This elements has lone pair, yes, lone pair of electron, so they can donate electron density by resonance. Okay, when when neutral oxygen nitrogen atom is bonded directly to the benzene ring, the resonance effect صح كده dominate. شو معنى dominate؟ يعني دفيدبو، يعني قوي ترى. Okay, that meaning the resonance effect dominate and the net effect is to be electron donating. Okay, that meaning it will be electron donating. Why? Because the resonance قوي ترى. Inductive هي بط ضعيفة. Okay, is weak. For the halogen بالعكس. For the halogen, the inductive effect it will be dominates. Okay, and the net effect electron withdrawing. For the halogen, inductive قوي ترى resonance ضعيفة. For this reason, it will be withdrawing group. Okay, تجشتن؟ طلبة تجشتن؟ لا خلاص نظام. ايه.
بلا تجشت.
ايه تمام. مش حتقدر تغمض عينيك. سينما مصر. ايه. Now, look. Thus, NH2 and OH are electron donating group because the resonance effect predominate. يعني فيدبو قوي ترى هذا. But the halogen like chlor, Br, electron withdrawing group because the inductive effect predominates. Okay, دي فيدبو. دي قوي ترى. Okay. أو ملخصة طلبة أو ملخص أبا قالك مهمة قالك مهمة. Finally, the inductive and resonance effect in compounds having the general structure this. Okay. For example, carbonyl group with Z more electrons that Y are both electron withdrawing. In the other word, the two effects reinforce each other. Reinforce يعني هردوك بنفس اتجاه لدفعك. اوكي يعني راح يتعاونون الاندكتيف والريزونانس both of them. يعني all the times it will be withdrawing group. All the times for the carbonyl like this carbonyl. Or any Y, this Y, it will be Y partially positive charge. We explained that. And all other compounds that contain carbonyl group bonded to the directly to the benzene ring. For example. Look, طلبة. We have this. We have benzene with R group. We have benzene with Z anshaf of electron. This Z of anshaf of electron, nitrogen or oxygen? Oxygen. Okay. This group, it will be electron donating group. Sagvan, other electron donating by any effect? Sagvan, غسق.
Inductive effect.
تمام, ستير. Inductive effect. Or other donating by any?
Resonance.
عافية, by resonance effect. تمام. Now, go to the halogen here. Benzene with the halogen. It will be withdrawing or donating?
Withdrawing.
Withdrawing. By any effect?
Inductive.
Inductive. زي الريزونانس هي أن
يا هاي بس يا ضعيف.
يا هاي بس ضعيفة. يا هاي عافية. يا وسطها. يا هاي but weak. This benzene ring with Y partially positive or positive خلاص هذا withdrawing. Okay, withdrawing. وكشيء وكي كربونيل جروب وكي كربونيل وكي أبا صح كطلبة فيري أو مثال أو كربون نيتروجين أو كربون partially positive or negative. partially positive خلاص هذا withdrawing. هكذا تهديد partially positive and positive خلاص هذا withdrawing group. Okay. أو طلبة أو ملخص مفيد يعني أو فيري أبا ملخصة هكذا تجهشتي خلاص تو خلت نبتن أبد. تمام؟ تمام. He said classify each substituent as electron donating or electron withdrawing. يلا صح كيف فيري أكسجين أو أكسجين أنشأ في إلكترون هيا أن هيا زين كيش تطبيقها أبا
Reasonance.
هيك and do and say HR. Do عافية do. We said Z here oxygen or nitrogen. That meaning donating or no? Donating, not withdrawing. Donating by any effect?
Resonance effect.
عافية, you get it. Okay. Yes, like this. This Benzene with carbon, nitrogen. This carbon, nitrogen, partially negative. This carbon, partially positive. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4?
4.
4. عافية. 4. Donating or withdrawing?
withdrawing,
Withdrawing. By any effect?
induct,
resonance.
By Harduka. Harduka ديجيبيت. Inductive ديجيبيت over resonance ديجيبيت. Okay? By Harduka. Okay, we say this here. By here. Look. Are both electron withdrawing. Okay? Are both electron withdrawing. In other words, the two effect, this two effect, reinforce each other. صح كيف؟ By resonance or by inductive. وهردو دبنا withdrawing. Reinforce. شو معنى reinforce؟ يعني واحد يساعد الآخر. اوكي؟ يعني الاندكتيف يسحب والريزونانس همين يسحب. تمام؟ This meaning two effect reinforce each other. Okay, this is the meaning. Here the meaning. Oh, this is the meaning for this. By Harduka, partially positive or positive, that meaning both of them it will be work, and both of them it will be withdrawing. Okay, تقشتن؟
إذا بس يا أي أو بريكا ريزونانس يمانه.
طبعا بريكا ريزونانس تشنكو أكسجين وأنشبوا في الكترون صح فيري أكسجين وأنشبوا في الكترون هيا. Okay, very oxygen هيا؟ No. Very oxygen هيا؟ No. We said oxygen here. Oxygen that meaning oxygen وأنشبوا في الكترون. أنشبوا في الكترون هيا yes it will be by resonance effect. Inductive هيا yes inductive هيا but يعني ضعيفة. Okay. نوكا طبعا أو سامي مثال classify each substituent as electron donating or electron withdrawing. يلا أبيا. Donating. donating.
Oxygen.
بفرين شاو design donating.
سيدا shape of electron يتهنج برهنده.
By any effect.
resonance effect.
عافية صح كي؟ ما خلاص تزعمي نوكا. نوكا أبيا.
Inductive.
withdrawing. هيا أنا.
هيا ضعيفة.
هيا anyone it will be demonate.
Inductive.
عافية inductive how defaidable عافية. Then final one our alkyl. همي alkyl group chia? Donating. By any effect. Nina resonance أنشب في الكترون طلبت خير. By inductive effect. زين بوتشي alkyl group donating.
partially positive.
partially يعني polarizable يعني اوكي. يلا تمام خلاص از دراوستن فيري وأز بجم هن أو محاضرة جيشن همي I hope you understand this lecture. Okay. If you have a question you can ask me. If you don't have a question you can go. You can take your time. You can go to your lunch. You can go to make the other activity. Okay. بسرعة يا طلبة.
لا سيدة.